Hello world, and here is Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader, back with you, and we are waiting for the same move. So it's too early, waiting couple of seconds more, and so it could be a fake move and probably it will move up. And let's go. So you can see with your own eyes that we were patient enough to wait for this kind of a move and open. The trade is open. You can see it right below your screen. And this is how the trading should be organized. A little bit of patience, a little bit of trust of your strategy, and full confidence in what you are doing. If you are confident, if you trust your strategy, then you will get the success in trading. And so this is what I was telling you in previous video. So you have exactly the date and time when something will be happening. And here what we have on the market. Here is just like one trade, and you can go and spend your weekends perfectly. With your own eyes, you have seen how I won 7,400 euros with the trading with the Euro USD, and this is the same strategy I was using in my previous video. So if you were not doing the same as I'm doing today, so Thursdays and Fridays are for this kind of a predictable trading. If you don't really know how the strategy should be organized, if you don't really trust your strategy, please give me the message. My Facebook and Instagram are below, and definitely it's free of charge, so I'm answering personally. It's my hobby, and so everything is really predictable, really uncut. You have seen that with your own eyes, that we were waiting exactly on time. The move has come. Some artificial move, like fake move, was before the exact time we had to wait for this, some kind of a huge move we got the profit with. But after that, everything went just smooth and very predictable. Once again, if you have any questions about this strategy, give me a message in the Instagram or Facebook. The links are below. It's free of charge. I will be happy to answer any of your questions about strategies and trading. And so that's all for this moment. There is nothing to trade with this particular moment, with this particular strategy. And that was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you, and thank you so much for your attention. Have a great weekend, and definitely I will get back to you soon. Thank you so much. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. Give me the message if you have any questions, and thank you.